There's also another way to find the vertex coordinates by using the shortcut method, which is minus b over 2a. We're not going to use the vertex form, we're going to use the standard form. So it'll be, or don't forget the x equals, so x equals minus 12 divided by 2 times 3, since this is the a and b and c. Well, we don't need to worry about the c, but we need to worry about the 3 and the 12. So we figure out the bottom and then we divide it. So x equals minus 12. So 2 times 3, which gives you 6. And then you get the answer of negative 2. Now I'm going to do one more example. So answer the following questions. Convert the following equation into vertex form. So since this equation is in standard form and it states into vertex form, we must complete the square. So it will be, before that, we have to factor this out. So it'll be f of x equals 2 bracket x squared plus 4x and a bracket plus 9. And don't forget to kick out the 9. So for the next step, I would do f of x 2 bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by 2 squared minus 4 divided by 2 squared plus 9. And for the next step, I will have to solve this out. So I'm going to do that on another sheet of paper. So it'll be f of x equals 2 bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and 2 squared, which gives you 4, and minus 4, and a bracket plus 9. So for the next step, I'll have to kick out the negative 4 and multiply it by 2. So it'll be f of x equals 2 bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4 and a bracket minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 9. For the next step, I have to find two numbers that add to 4 and two numbers that multiply to 4, which is 2. So it'll be f of x 2 bracket x plus 2 squared, since both of them are positive, and solve this out. So it'll be minus 8 plus 1, which gives you plus 1. And now we have vertex form. So question B. Use mapping notation to graph the function. Also determine if it's a function. Now we have our vertex form, and now it's time to graph the equation using mapping notation. So you already know the basic graph, x equals x. So these are the key points of y equals x squared. Now we're going to use parts of this equation and substitute them into the x's and the y's. So for the x's, it'll be x minus 2, since it's inside the bracket. So it'll be x minus 2. And for the y's, it'll be 2y, this is also known as y, plus 1. So it'll be 2y plus 1. And now we're going to substitute the x's into x minus 2. So it'll be minus 2 minus 2, which gives you negative 4, minus 1 minus 2, which gives you minus 3, 0 minus 2, which gives you minus negative 2, 1 minus 2, which gives you negative 1, and 2 minus 2, which gives you 0. And now we're going to substitute the y's into the 2y plus 1. So 2 times 4 plus 1, which gives you 9. 2 times 1 plus 1, which gives you 3. 2 times 0 plus 1, which gives you 1. 2 times 1 plus 1, which gives you 3. And 2 times 4 plus 1, which gives you 9. Now we have the x's and the y coordinates, and now it's time to graph it. So for the first coordinate, it will be negative 4 and 9. The second coordinate, negative 3 and 3. The third coordinate, negative 2 and 1. The second last coordinate, negative 1 and 3. And lastly, 0 and 9. Now connect the dots. And don't forget to write the equation. So f of x equals 2 bracket x plus 2 squared plus 1. So now we determine if it's a function or not. So since it passes the vertical line test and only hits one of the points, so it is a function.